Do you know the difference between these three types of insert blades?
Today, we're looking at how to choose the right inserts for a helical cutterhead.
There are three common styles: rounded corner radius inserts, radius-only inserts, and standard square edge inserts.
They may look similar, but the edge geometry affects cutting smoothness, surface finish, and overall durability.
On a helical cutterhead, each insert is set at a 30 to 45 degree angle.
As the board feeds in, the inserts make small slicing cuts instead of one heavy impact. This reduces noise, vibration, and the load on the machine, keeping the cut smooth and stable.
FindBuyTool inserts are made from high-hardness tungsten carbide and machined to a very tight tolerance of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters.
This precision allows smoother rotation, less vibration, and more consistent cutting quality across the entire whip. Rounded corner radius inserts offer the best performance. The four rounded corners prevent chipping, hide small height differences, and make installation easier. The large edge radius lowers cutting resistance and leaves a cleaner, finer surface finish. Radius-only inserts also cut smoothly and reduce tear-out. However, because the tips aren't chamfered, long-term use may gradually dull the corners.
Square edge inserts are the most affordable option,
But they create more vibration and noise, especially on stepped helical cutterheads. The edges can dull or chip faster, and the wood surface is more likely to tear out.
Here we're planing beechwood using rounded corner inserts. The feed stays smooth, the noise is lower, and the surface comes out clean even on harder species.
To summarize, rounded corner radius inserts deliver the smoothest cutting and the best surface finish.
Radius-only inserts provide good performance at a moderate cost. Square edge inserts are the most economical, but with more vibration and faster wear. You can find all three insert types on our website. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.